Today, we're diving into one of the most mysterious, intelligent, and downright alien creatures on Earth, the octopus. With 8 arms, 3 hearts, blue blood, and a brain that seems too smart for its own good, the octopus isn't just another sea creature. It's a biological wonder, and possibly the closest thing we have to an alien species right here on Earth. Let's start with the basics, or rather, the very weird basics. The octopus is a mollusk, like snails and clams, but you'd never guess it by looking at one. It has no skeleton, no protective shell, except in a few deep-sea relatives, and its body is almost entirely soft tissue. This means it can squeeze through openings as small as a coin. If its beak fits, the rest of it will follow. Now here's where things get really strange. The octopus has 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, and the third pumps blood to the rest of the body. But that systemic heart actually stops beating when the octopus swims, which is part of the reason they prefer crawling over swimming. Swimming is tiring, even when you have backup hearts. And about that blood, it's blue. That's because instead of iron-based hemoglobin, like we have, octopuses use copper-based hemocyanin, which is more efficient at transporting oxygen in cold, low-oxygen environments. Octopuses are famous for their intelligence, and for good reason. They have about 500 million neurons, which is comparable to a dog. But here's the twist. Over 60% of those neurons aren't in the brain, they're in the arms. Each arm can process information, respond to touch, even perform tasks independently. In a way, it's like each arm has a mind of its own, coordinated by a central brain but capable of independent action. That's like if your hand could decide to make a sandwich without asking your head first. This distributed nervous system allows octopuses to perform incredibly complex tasks, opening jars, solving mazes, escaping enclosures, and even using tools, a rare behavior in the animal kingdom. Octopuses are also camouflage champions. Their skin is covered in chromatophores, tiny pigment cells that can rapidly change color. Beneath those are cells called iridophores and leucophores, which reflect and scatter light to create even more complex visual effects. All this is controlled by their nervous system. They can match the color, texture, and even reflectivity of their surroundings in milliseconds. It's not just about hiding from predators. Octopuses also use this ability for signaling and communication. Some species, like the mimic octopus, take it even further. They imitate the shape and movement of other animals, such as lionfish, sea snakes, and flatfish. That's not just camouflage, that's acting. Despite all this intelligence, the octopus leads a surprisingly short life. Most species live only 1 to 2 years. Mating is their final act. Males have a specialized arm, the hectocotylus, used to transfer sperm to the female. After mating, males typically die within weeks. Females lay thousands of eggs and then guard them obsessively, often for months, without eating. After the eggs hatch, the female also dies, her job complete. It's a tragic but powerful cycle, a life full of learning, ending in total sacrifice for the next generation. Octopuses are found in oceans all over the world, from coral reefs to the deep sea. While not currently endangered as a group, many species face threats from overfishing, habitat destruction, and climate change. Their intelligence, combined with their ecological importance, makes them key species to protect. And interest in octopuses has grown, thanks to documentaries like My Octopus Teacher, which gave many people their first close look at just how sensitive and intelligent these animals really are. The octopus challenges almost every assumption we make about life on Earth. It's soft-bodied, super smart, eerily adaptable, and biologically unique in ways that blur the line between science fiction and reality. So next time you see an octopus at an aquarium, or better yet, in the wild, take a moment to appreciate what you're looking at. This isn't just a sea creature, it's a thinking, problem-solving, shape-shifting marvel of evolution. And honestly, we've only scratched the surface of what they can do.